Salam guys, and days not true. Welcome back to Amharic culture. My name is Red 8 if you're new here, and this is the channel where we learn Amharic and reconnect with our Ethiopian culture. Today we're starting with the basics. We have 5 simple greetings in Amharic. These are the basis of all your conversation starters, so let's jump right in. First, let's talk greetings in the Ethiopian culture. Greetings are very important because it's a way of showing respect and warmth, because Ethiopians value hospitality and community. So learning the greetings is very, very important. So here are a few essential greetings you need to know in Amharic. The first word means peace, and it's salam. Salame, salam. Salam is a formal and informal way of saying hello in Amharic. Salam, how are you? Salam, how are you guys doing? The second word is more formal and is ጤና ይስጥልኝ. ጤና ይስጥልኝ. And it means may God give you health. And it's kind of hard to pronounce, but it's ጤና ይስጥልኝ. ጤና ይስጥልኝ. ጤና ይስጥልኝ. Another informal way of saying hi, it's ታዲያስ. 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 Tadyas. And Tadyas is pretty easy. You can say it to someone that you already know, that you're familiar with, to someone who's your friend. So you can say Tadyas instead of salam, or use them interchangeably. So after you say salam, you would want to follow up with how are you? The first way you can say how are you is very simple, is dana neh to a man, dana nesh to a woman, and dana natru to a group of people. Dana means good or fine. Neh, nesh, and not true is asking someone's state of being. So, dana neh means how are you to a man. You're saying good, are you? Dana nesh also means how are you to a woman. You're saying good, are you? And dana not true is saying how are you to a group of people. Another way of saying how are you is endaith neh, endaith nesh, and endaith not true. Endate here is also how, and neh, nesh, and not true, like I said earlier, is asking someone's well-being. So endate neh and dana neh are synonyms. They both mean how are you. Endate nesh and dana nesh are also synonyms. Endate not true and dana not true also mean the same thing. So we have dana neh, dana nesh, and dana not true to say how are you. We also have endaith neh, endaith nesh, and endaith not true to say how are you. The third way of saying how are you is endemin neh, endemin neh. Endemin neh is also another way of saying how are you. As crazy as that sounds, we have 3 ways of saying how are you. I feel like endemin neh also emphasizes like how really are you, versus like danana, like how are you, like endamina is like how really, how are you really. So I feel like that's like the difference between danana and endamina. Endamina is saying how are you really, and danana is like danana, like how are you, you know, it's more casual. Endamina is if you really know, if you really want to know how they are, you would say endamina. You would say danana and then be like endamina, danana endamina, dananish endaminish, danana true endamin not true. Like you're truly interested in what they how they are doing. Now that you know how to greet someone in Amharic, let's see if you remember all of the words and phrases. I'm gonna have a little bit of a quiz, and I'm gonna just have the English words on one side, and I want you to say what the Amharic translation is. I'm gonna leave this for a few minutes and then we'll end our session. So let's see how you do. Gobes for completing that little quiz. If you didn't, it's okay. You can go back and complete it whenever you want. Thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this whole video. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please, please practice. Practice makes perfect, obviously. I am so excited to continue this journey with you guys, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, bye.